Today, we're diving into the features of the Lefant Robot Vacuum M210 Pro, a powerful cleaning companion with 2,200 pascals suction and a runtime of up to 120 minutes. This slim robotic vacuum, standing at just 2.99 inches tall, effortlessly glides under furniture and beds, making it perfect for pet owners as it efficiently picks up pet hair and dust from hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets without tangling, thanks to its brushless suction mouth. The M210 Pro is equipped with Carpet Boost technology, automatically increasing suction for optimal performance on carpets while maintaining a quiet operation that won't disturb your family or pets. With 6 versatile cleaning modes, including zigzag, random, and spot cleaning, you can easily tailor your cleaning experience through the Lefant app, which also allows for scheduling and voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0 ensures the vacuum avoids obstacles and stairs, providing a safe and uninterrupted cleaning session. When the cleaning is done or the battery runs low, the M210 Pro automatically returns to its charging station, ensuring it's always ready for the next task. Included in the package are the Robo Vacuum M210P, a charging station, power adapter, 2 side brushes, a dustbin, 2 HEPA filters, a cleaning tool, and a user manual, making it a comprehensive solution for your home cleaning needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.